Before deploying your detector, you'll need to find a suitable location within your square. As our survey will be informing the Council's development plans, we're aiming to collect data from a range of habitats and ideally in areas which aren't very developed. So if possible, we ask that you survey in locations other than your garden and somewhere which is representative of the habitats in your square. Choosing a suitable location is important for collecting rich data and will also allow you to gather the most interesting results. We ask that you choose areas which bats are most likely to use. Bats often travel along straight habitat features, so if you want to deploy your detector on one of these, you could choose a hedgerow, woodland edge or tree line. Bats also use water features such as lakes, rivers and ponds, so deploying your detector nearby to any of these would also work. Avoiding factors which make a habitat unsuitable is also important. Bats can be quite sensitive to their surroundings, and some species will avoid areas that have high levels of disturbances or lighting, so deploying your detector near a busy road in a highly urbanised area or near streetlights isn't a good idea. This is also important to prevent it being too visible to the public. You also shouldn't put your detector where livestock can reach it, as it can get damaged. Once you've found a suitable location to deploy your detector, you need to place it in a way which is going to collect the most and the best data. If you're placing it on a linear feature, you need to make sure it's placed around the midpoint. Your detector should be placed on the outside of a hedgerow or fence post. This is important for two reasons. Firstly, if it's on a hedge, it may get trimmed, which will damage the detector. And secondly, the microphone shouldn't be obstructed by anything such as vegetation, as this can affect the sound recorded. The detector should be deployed at approximately 1.2 metres or as close as you can get to it, and placed this way so the microphone is pointing out. The next video will show you how to set up and switch on the detector and then attach it to the post.